Colonial for sale in Duluth, Georgia. Built in 1994. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Square footage is 1644. Now the current listing price is $425,000. So this one is in the cul-de-sac. HOA fee is $17 per month. Has 3D roof shingles, ridge vents. Siding is wood. Now the front looks pretty sharp. House looks very clean. Walk around, check out the exterior. Overall, the siding is well maintained. It's good paint coverage. Now on this side, you can see the siding board has excessive gaps between the boards, and that's why you're seeing this stuff to cover it up. Well, at least the owner was paying attention to the deterioration of siding over time. I'll keep walking, check out the backyard. Now this one has very little space in the back. You can see here's another ditch. This topography is very popular in Georgia. A lot of homes has this type of topography. Either it's a small hill or at the bottom of a hill in the backyard. So as a result, there's no lawn. It's just the bare dirt for the most part. Small concrete pad. Does have an oversized downspout. Check out the other side. Now this side, siding has more deterioration. This is deteriorated siding board, so surely it's not wood. It's another type of hard board. You can see once the water gets seepage behind the paint, the siding deteriorates pretty rapidly. So this shows the construction of the siding materials. Basically, wood fiber is being compressed into the and probably add some resin into this type of siding board. So this piece is falling off, just to take a note. Also, these trees are growing overly close to the roof and to the siding. Definitely needs to get this trimmed back. This HVAC looks fairly new. I would guess it's within 5 years old. 2-car attached garage. Nice and a long driveway. Now the cracks has been sealed, so that's a good sign. No porch, no awning. So when it rains, especially downpours, you get to run and get to the door fast. Alright, we're now in the house. Living room, front door. Now this area has tiled floor. Looks new and very clean. To my right, this is half bath. Updated toilet, steel flush. Sink is standard. Now the entire house seems to have a fresh neutral paint. Living room has natural gas fireplace. Fine woodwork around the fireplace. Looks really nice. Textured the ceiling. Modern looking ceiling fan. Large windows that brings in natural light. Now keep walking. This is the formal dining area. It has wainscoting on the lower half of the wall. Newer chandelier light. Here's the exterior door that leads to the backyard. Now get to the kitchen. Kitchen still have basic appliances. All the appliances are stainless steel. Countertop is quartz. Looks pretty new as well. Really like this cutout. Just to make the space more open, so that, and also when you're in the kitchen, you can see the activities in the dining area and the living room. Now the cabinets are newer as well. These are shaker style cabinets with a soft closing track. This is the informal dining area and your food pantry. Now the furnace right now is running, and I can see that I can feel the warm air coming out from the vent. I'll check out the garage. 2-car. You have extra space on the side. That's really nice. Furnace and water heaters are located in an easy to access location. The furnace from Goodman's probably was replaced the same time when they replaced the AC. Water heater tanks from Ream does have an expansion tank. That's your pressure regulator valve. This is from 2016, so about 9 years old. Also furnace filters, easy to change as well. Breaker box, everything's properly labeled. Nothing wrong. Garage door looks very nice. It looks like this is a relatively new door. You can see the track. It's really clean. There's no dirt accumulated, and also all the rollers looks very clean as well. So I would say this is probably a new door. Thermostat is located on the wall, very close between the living room and the formal dining room. Also note there's a closet to the left of the front door. Very easy and convenient. So let's go up and check out the upper level. Carpet downstairs. Handrail is really firm and sturdy. Keep turning right. This must be the laundry area. All the laundry appliances are gone. Dryer, you have a dual fuel option. Standard laundry box, everything's pretty clean. Keep walking. Here we're in the master bedroom. To my left is a small walk-in closet. Very basic shelving. Master bedroom has cathedral ceiling. Another storage area. Room size is about 15 by 12. You got 2 windows overlook the backyard. Check out the master bathroom. Newer and updated vanity. The quartz countertop, backsplash, side splash, newer mirror, huge soaking tub. Looks really clean and barely been used. Toilet and the standard stand-up shower. Now this shower wasn't used heavily, but still maintained well. Looks very clean. It's a step inside the shower area. Feels good. No hollowness under your feet. No squealing. And also look at those edges. There's no apparent water stain, so that's good. Take another view of the master bedroom. What I like is this chrome moldings. Really add a touch of elegance and luxury to this room. Get to bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 is standard size, 12 by 11, carpet floor. Everything else standard. And in this room you have drop-down ladder to give you access to the other well, I don't know if this one has a second furnace, but anyway, this will provide you access to the attic for maintenance. Standard closet. Bedroom 3. Bedroom 3 is slightly larger. Room size is 14 by 12. Got a window faces front. And you can see here it also has more refined chrome moldings on the wall. Good taste from the previous owner. Carpet is not new, but has been thoroughly cleaned. Check out the shared bathroom. Same tile, one-piece tub, looks very clean. Newer toilet, newer vanity. Everything else in this room has been updated. This concludes the virtual tour of this nice Colonial in Duluth, Georgia. Overall, pretty nice house. Interiors is really clean, updated, and move-in ready. The only other minuses are the siding definitely needs more attention for maintenance, and also the fact it doesn't have a backyard, and also the topography in the back it's pretty steep, so gotta be careful for safety reasons.